Right now, the things that I have in my hand is to unlearn the things because literally mind is not working at all. And the things which I have ingrained in my mind, the things which I have in my mind from the society, I have learned from the many things like from media, from social media, and all those aspects, and the environment as well. So, so the only thing I have to do is to unlearn the things. Right now, people do chase to go in different path like for learning as well like it could be university, it could be college, and yes, it is important, but it is also important that to see what will happen in future, like looking at that things. I'm talking about what is like if I'll not remove the things that I have in my mind which will act as resistance in in the way of my betterment, then obviously I have to like unlearn the things. I have to like remove all those things. And and the first thing is identifications. First thing is identifications, and then yes, eliminations. So so the thing so what are the major criteria to unlearn the things? And I literally don't have any idea about this. And I can only tell to myself every single day, just try to figure it out, try small step, just go small step, just identify, just like break the pattern, break the old pattern. In what pattern you were doing the work and you were failing. Identifications of the losing pattern, identification of the like where you are in how do you go in chaos, that pattern I have to determine, and identifications of winning pattern. And these things through my realizations I have got this that these things comes when I go into deep reflections, looking at my past, looking at my work ethics, how I do my things, and all those things. And I do believe that yes, it is possible to learn the things, but it it takes time a lot, man. Like I've been trying to figure it out since years, but yes, maybe I'm not able to spot it out correctly. Maybe I'm not knowing at all. The problem is not around myself, but the problem could be inside myself, my mind, how I see. That's that's the thing.